Now, let me explain you a bit more about how Salesforce work and what are the different items that you can see on your home page. So if we take your home page, in the middle you will have your LC name. Here I'm logged in as ISA Klimburg, the date, a bit of a chatter where you can share with the rest of the network your thoughts or your successes or questions that you may have. If you scroll down, you will look at your most recent dashboards. Here I have a dashboard with numbers of calls, numbers of meetings, and numbers of TN signed since January. You will have your tasks. So here I'm looking at my tasks for today. I can also look at the tasks that are overdue or for the next 7 days, etc. And your calendar, if you scheduled anything in your calendar. Here I haven't. On the left, you will find several menus. You have the Create New menu, which you will use to create new items. We're going to come back to each of them in a few moments. You have a shortcut toward unresolved items, which is something you will use in case you're using Gmail to Salesforce. You will have your recent items, so the recent item that you use. So I viewed my profile, I created a company called Video Training, and a contact called Tester. Your custom links and messages and alerts. If you look at the top bar, you will look at different tabs. So you can see that right now we're in Home. You have different tabs available. You have Leads. So leads are basically potential contacts and companies that you want to contact for a partnership with ISEC, whether it's for a local partnership or whether it's to sell them internships or to have them participate in your campus recruitment. And this is when you don't really have any activity with them yet, like nothing has been quite confirmed, so it's still a lead. Once you contacted the company, or for the companies you have been partnered with for several years or that you've been in contact with for several years, they will be in companies. So that's where you will have the representation of all your companies on your lists as well as all your partners into the system. After that, you have the contacts, which are every time associated to a company. So those are the actual person working for the different companies, the different contacts you have in those companies. And then the next two tabs are reports and dashboards. That's where you will be able to have graphic and visual representations of the information that is in the system. So if I give you the example, every time I contact a contact and I enter an activity with that contact, for example a call, it will come here in my dashboard as one more call has been made.